everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. The Montero, known in some markets as the Pajero, is an icon. It's famed for conquering harsh terrain while serving families worldwide. After a brief hiatus, Mitsubishi brings it back for 2026, modernized inside and out yet staying true to its off-road DNA. First impressions matter, and the 2026 Montero delivers. Front and center, the enlarged, aggressive dynamic shield grille gives it an assertive face. Sleek LED headlights and angular lines add a refined edge without compromising toughness. The sculpted bumper and underbody skid plates hint at intent. Sculptural front fascia with bold grille, angled LED headlights, flared wheel arches, 20-inch alloys, beefy proportions, improved ground clearance, side profile, refined yet muscular rear styling includes full-width LED taillight strip, reinforced tailgate, sporty dual exhaust, modern and aggressive overall blend of ruggedness and aerodynamic refinement. Safety is never an afterthought. The Montero is equipped with comprehensive driver assistance and protective systems, ensuring confidence whether on the freeway or the trail. Price range starts around $38,500 up to $55,000 for base, higher trims $50,000 to $60,000, PHEV $45K, premium trims to $60,000. Step inside, and the Montero sheds its rugged shell for a premium sanctuary. Soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery, brushed aluminum or wood grain accents, the cabin strikes a delicate balance between function and luxury. High-end materials, leather, carbon fiber accents, two-tone schemes, brushed aluminum, ambient lighting, spacious 3-row seating for 7, with second-row recline and improved third-row comfort. High-tech dashboard, 12.3-inch or even ultra-widescreen 15-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, AI assistant, 360-degree surround view camera, digital driver cluster, haptic controls / rotary selector, voice control. Tri-zone climate, ventilated / heated seats, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof. Structural safety, rise body, reinforced steel frame, multiple airbags, including knee bags, roll stability, off-road roll protection, tightening belts, active head restraints, off-road aids, hill descent control, 360-degree and underbody camera views, traction control tailored for trail use. Under the hood, power and poise go hand in hand. The Montero offers a solid lineup of engines catering to diverse needs, from performance-driven to eco-conscious. Base 3.0-liter V6, 280 HP and 260-270 lb-ft torque, paired with 8-speed automatic, strong everyday performance. Top spec 3.5-liter turbo V6, 350 HP and 330 lb-ft, with terrain management and rapid acceleration, 6.5 S060. Other reports, 300 horsepower and 320 lb-ft, 3.0-liter turbo V6 with tow capacity 7,000 pounds, PHEV variant, 2.4-liter gas engine plus dual electric motors, 250 HP, 40-mile EV range, strong towing and efficiency. Super Select 4WD/SAWC system, selectable modes for snow, sand, mud, rock, hill descent control, adaptive suspension, SAWC2 body-on-frame architecture, shared with Nissan Patrol/QX80, for serious off-road durability. 4WD traction control, transparent underfloor camera mode, adaptive dampers, high ground clearance. Base V6, 22 mpg city/28 highway, some sources 2025 turbo V6. 20 city/26 highway plug-in hybrid, 75 mpg combined hybrid 35 mpg. Safety is never an afterthought. The Montero is equipped with comprehensive driver assistance and protective systems, ensuring confidence whether on the freeway or the trail. ADAS, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition. Mitsubishi's Safety 3.0 / Proactive Safety Assist Suite, MI Pilot Assist, with semi-autonomous features, lane centering, stop-and-go assist, automated parking, collision prediction with active braking, attention monitoring, blind spot steering correction. What sets the 2026 Montero apart? It strikes a rare balance, rugged, 3-row capability with premium comforts and electrified efficiency. The 2026 Mitsubishi Montero is more than a comeback, it's a reinvention. With thoughtful design, tech-rich luxury, serious off-road capability, and modern efficiency, it's ready to reclaim the spotlight. Intrigued? Let us know, would you go for the turbo V6 or the plug-in hybrid? Which color suits your style? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into the latest SUVs. Until next time, keep exploring.